What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is GG Kicks, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Nike High Dunks Michigan in that Michigan colorway, Michigan Wolverines, released on September 23rd. As always, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe, and also that notification bell so you guys don't miss another video. Without further ado, let's take a look at the shoes. Alright guys, so here's a close-up on the box. Nike Dunk High SP Varsity Maize / Midnight Navy, retailing for $120. Open up the box here. This shoe is stunning for sure. Taking a look at the upper of the shoe here, just consists of that leather on leather, smooth leather with that Midnight Navy Nike swoosh. Inside we got that Varsity Maize color, aka the yellow for the Wolverines. This shoe actually does come with 2 extra laces, white and yellow, so you guys can customize your shoes however you like. So look at the back side, the bottom, the classic Nike dunk sole. Got your Nike on your tongue in that navy color. Just look at the toe box. Pretty good quality on these. Dunks are made up to get beat, and sometimes they even look better when they're beat up, but these look too clean, man. I think I'm definitely gonna hold on to these, I'm not gonna lie. At first I didn't like them that much, but they're growing on me. The shoe's definitely growing on me even more. I signed up for so many raffles, tried from so many devices on the sneakers app, and I only hit on one of them. Very grateful that I actually did hit though. I think these are definitely way better than the Spartans that came out. All around, just a great shoe, great skateboarding shoe. And if you guys like the Michigan football team, this was definitely a cop for you guys. Here's a look at the heel. The shoe is very similar to the Air Jordan 1. You guys already know that though. Alright guys, so my final thoughts on this shoe is I actually had these rated at a 8.5, but now since I got my hands on them, not that I got biased or anything because I hit on the sneakers app, I actually really like this shoe, so I went ahead and bumped up that rating to a 9. This is just a very clean shoe, man. You can't go wrong. That Wolverine colorway. These are hard, man. These are hard. After these came out, the value did drop on them, but I definitely see these going up in value. People are selling these for ridiculously low, but this is definitely a good investment if you guys want to hold these sneakers for 6 months. You're definitely going to triple your money, man, because dunks have just been going crazy. All right guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. As always, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button, hit that sub button, and turn on that notification bell so you guys don't miss another video. See you guys next time.